Hello people, and welcome to my second introductory video on Linux systems administration. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to remotely connect to your Linux server from a Windows host using a software called puTTy. Now the first thing that we need to do is to go to the internet and download puTTy. puTTy is spelled puTTy. So let's download it from this first option here. So scroll down to the green section, and if you are on a Windows machine, just use this first link here. And after it's finished downloading, just go to the download folder. Mine is right here, and then double click on it. But before that, let me create a shortcut by dragging this file to the taskbar down here. Then you can just click on it, and this is how it looks like the first time you launch it. But before we use it, you need to install SSH on your server, the server that you want to remotely connect to. Now, because mine is a virtual machine running on the same operating system as the one that I'm using, let me just open it from here, and then you will need to install Open SSH server. So to install the program, you just issue the command apt get install, and the program that we are installing is called Open SSH server. So it's going to go ahead and install the SSH server, with which now we are going to use puTTy as an SSH client to connect to the remote server. So because the installation process is going to take a while, I'm going to speed it up. So here it is, it has finished installing. So when we come to puTTy here, you will need first of all to have the IP address of the server that you want to connect to. So to check the IP address, just come to your server here and issue the command ifconfig and press enter. So if it's your first time using the command ifconfig, the IP address is that number just above this window here, the number starting with 192.168.56.101. okay. So now to connect to your remote server, come here to puTTy, and in this first box here you need to give it the username that you want to use to connect to the remote server. So the username that I'm going to use for simplicity reasons is root, and then follow the username with the @ sign, and then the @ sign is followed by the IP address 192.168.56.101. Then one other thing that you might want to do is to save this connection, and to save it, just copy it and paste it under the saved sessions. So you can paste it there. After pasting, click on the save button right here. So in future you'll just be clicking on a connection that you want to connect to and click on open. The first time you do this, it's going to ask you for a confirmation, so just click on yes, and then it's going to ask you for a password. So you key in the password, and there you are, you've just successfully made your remote connection. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.